shit's hard here. I've been tasked with a challenge, a simple little thermostat. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. Try anyways, but hey man, if it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. That's so much right there. Oops, my fat ass finger too. Money. Hell yeah. Alright, well, I will be right back. I'm kind of going to explain everything as I go. Where's my dog? I forgot she was out here. Let's not forget that. We just got to break this loose a little bit. Wow. It's kind of coming down. Come on. Ooh. Yes. Alright, I'll be right back once I get the toes off. Now, the real question is, which one is the demise to the mechanic? The engineer? Hold on. This will literally tell me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Son of a bitch. That is bone dry, which tells me I probably didn't even fucking need a... Oh no. What? There's fluid in there. Maybe there's a clog in the hose. Yeah, that makes sense. Ow, my eye. Get me. Get me. There we go. Tasty. Oh, good God. It's never as easy as you really think. That's what we're replacing, that little beautiful guy in there. And as you can see, this is pretty fucking fucked, to be completely honest. I'm not gonna lie. But hey, man, I gotta knock out that bolt. Or nut. No, yeah, that's a bolt. Knock out that bolt. And if I remember correctly, they're 13. But you don't know. You don't know until you know. I think my only issue is it being cold as shit. God damn. Slam this shit over there. Hello? Now, if I remember correctly, it should just... God damn, what's going on? It should just... I got it. There we go. There we go. All one big unit. Crazy. Fucking... Yeah. Straight down in here. We're gonna clamp down on this. As long as it's not bolted in, should just straight out that bitch. Maybe even if it wasn't time, it was time. But now I have got to get all of that crusty blue shit scraped, cleaned off that guy, or clean off that little area, right? You know, clean off that little area surrounding the hole. Slap this fucking gasket back on, slap the thermostat back on, slap this all together, and then take my little brown ass inside, because I'm cold as shit. But I will see you guys here in the reassembly. When in doubt, if you can't find a tool to scrape anything, you make one. Hell yeah. I mean, kinda. Hell yeah, you can't find a scraper? You just make your own. Got up some busted ass old nuts that you found. I'm actually just extremely glad that I found a break in the rain. So here's whatever that was, it's irrelevant. Get all of that nasty ass old gasket out. No traces of it. Wish I had a paint scraper. You also don't want to let none of these shits, you don't want to let that shit fall up in your motor. But I will come right back when I have this shit scraped out. I'm ready to party. Man, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't know if you can reuse, you know, your fuck, what do you call it? God damn it. Thermostat housing, thermostat. Oh, you gotta put the thermostat in there. Damn, I'll be right back. Damn, boy, I'm out here fucking up so hard. You would think I work at like Walmart as a loogie or at fucking Valvoline or some shit. Nope, I'm just fresh off a dab. Oh, really? No, I'm not gonna say it like this though. So I got a thermostat, 160 degrees. Thermostat, both on one. Damn, close. Oh yeah. Ready to scoot and boot. Hello, there we go. It's a wee bit nippy out here, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I don't know why I see people, it was probably just in and out easy. I see people take this bracket out. I don't know why they take it out, but they take it out, okay? Maybe they do it for convenience. Oh, yes. 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 Technically, I'm done. I could call this done. Right now, I just got the truck. Just got it running. I'm about to go drop some water in there because there's none. All right, mates. Quick little update on the coolant. She is holding temp. I'm not gonna lie. The truck's been on for 20 or 30 minutes now. It hasn't really gotten any warmer than this, which is, I think my shit's just a little too cool. But hey, man, I got heat and I don't give a fuck. So the truck seems to be fixed. It's low key. But hey, man, the truck's fine. It's not overheating. That was my main. I'd rather it run a little too cold. Probably not even a little too cold. I'd much rather it run colder. Now I'd rather it run way too goddamn hot. You know. So honestly, thank you guys for tuning into this video. You guys, obviously, you know, I'm gonna let y'all do your thing. Rate it how you want. Review, comment. If you guys do want to see more, you know, my general maintenance bullshit or my you know, if you just want to see more Dakota bullshit, fucking let me know. Thank you guys for tuning into this very lovely video. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. There's a cop behind me. Oh, there's a fucking state trooper too. See you guys.